Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Today is the 22nd of August 2019. Today we are going to be trading the digits over and under simultaneously. This is a new strategy. As you can see, I've logged into the trading platform. Make sure you subscribe to the channels for more upcoming strategy. We are going to release two strategies today, 22nd of August 2019. Each of the strategies will be posted on the old channel and also on the new channel, so you have to subscribe on the two channels for you to be able to get notification. This is the link to the two channels. These are old channel URL and this is the new channel URL. So we will post all the strategies we will drop today on each of the channels, so that you can watch both and apply it. So this is what we are starting with today for 3825.10. So we're going to be trading the volatility 25 index, digits over and digits under simultaneously. So we are going to change this to digits. Make sure you are using the webtrader. So we're going to start with, I've set the timer to 10 minutes, so let me start the timer. We're going to start with the digits over. So the last over will be 0. So it's also stated here, the last digits over, you set it to 0. This is it. So click digits over and type 0. Then you set the duration to 4 ticks, is there. So you change this duration to 4 ticks. So I'm going to be staking 100 USD. So this is what we are starting with. So after the trades, maybe after like 9 or 10 minutes, we will see what we've made after the whole trade. So you can trade up to 10 times in the trading section. So I'm going to click on purchase right now. So as you can see, we won that first trade. We are going for trade number 2. So let's say we are trading for 10. You change this to digits under. After the first trade, you have to change this to digits under. Then you change this to 9. Then you change this to 1 tick. That's after your first trade. Digit under 9, then 1 tick, then you click on purchase. So that's our second trade. After this, we go for the third trade. So you can see we won the second trade. So we are going for the third trade now. So the internet connection is a bit slow. Connection is a bit slow there. So you can see the tick is 4, and we went for under 9, so we won the trade. So we're going to close this and open another trade again because the internet connection is slow. So open another one. So we change this to digits. So the last one we went for digits under 9. So this one will be digits over 0. Then we change this to 4 ticks again. So 100. So that's our third trade. After this, we'll go for the fourth one. The internet connection is a bit slow, so you can see it has come. So we click on purchase. So after this one, we are going for the fourth trade. So as you can see, we won the third trade. So we'll go for the fourth trade now. So here now we change this to digits under again. Change this to digits under. Then duration will be 1 tick. Then you click on purchase. So after this one, we'll go for the fifth trade. So you can see we won the fourth trade again. We are going for the fifth trade. So the internet connection is slow again. So I have to close this and reopen another chart again. So our last trade was digits under 9. So go to digits again, we go to digits over, change the last digits to 0, digits over 0, then this one 4 ticks. I'm staking 100 USD. So I'm going to click on purchase again. So that's our fifth trade. After this, we go for the sixth trade. So as you can see, we won that as well. So we'll close this and change this to digits under 9. Then we change this to digits under 9. We change this to 1 tick. Then we click on purchase. So after this, we are going for our seventh trade. So as you can see, we won that trade. It will be very difficult for the broker to decode this, and I'm very sure that this strategy will last long. So after this, we go to digits over again. We change this to 0, then we change this to 4 ticks. So we are going for our 8th trade, then we click on purchase. So as you can see, we won the 8th trade. We'll go for the 9th trade right now. So this one now, we're going to change this again to digits under, then we'll change this to 9, then we'll change this to 1, we change the ticks to 1, then we'll click on purchase again. So after this, we'll go for the 10th trade. So as you can see, we won the 9th trade, so we're going for the 10th trade again, and this is the last trade for this section. You can repeat this strategy after like 1 hour. So we go for the last trade, which is digits over again. We change this to 0, then we change this to 4 ticks, then we click on purchase. So that's our 10th trade. So as you can see, we won all the 10 trades. You can see we won all the 10 trades. So this strategy is going to last long before the broker got to know about this. So here we're going to do the math and see what we made. This is what we started with. Let me check what we started with. So we started with 43825. Then let's do the math. Let me do the math. As we have 43906, 43906 dot 10 minus 43825, 43825.10. So in about 5 minutes we make $81. As you can see, is 100% guaranteed strategy. So make sure you subscribe again to our channels. So like I said earlier, we will release 2 strategies today. This one will be posted on our old channel, then the second strategy will be posted on the new channel. So thanks for watching the video. Make sure you share this